Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our highly requested quick daily lifting facial massage with hands. No tools required. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we recommend doing this on clean, moisturized skin and hands for best results. You want to make sure your hand glides smoothly on your skin throughout without dragging. We're going to work our way up with 2 swipes per section. So starting from our neck area, we're going to place our hand like this here, glide up, and as you do so, the other hand comes up like this. So that's 1, and now this is 2 here. We'll do the other side like this, 1, 2, and through the center of our neck here, 1, 2. The other side on the center, 1, 2, 1, 2. For our jawline here, we're going to place our hand like this from the center of our lips here and glide out like this. And at the edge, wiggle here. 1 more, like this. Wiggle at the edge here. And for our nose area, we're going to just gently massage this area here. Just releasing any congestion in this area here, like so. And we're going to place our hand from the side of our nose like this here, and like this, and drag out like so. And wiggle at the edge. 1 more here, like this, like so, and wiggle at the edge here. For our eye area, we're going to make a fist. You want to use really light pressure here, and once you get to your temples, you can use a little bit more pressure if you would like. So placing the fist over our eyes like this with your eyes closed, we're going to drag out and wiggle at the edge. 1 more here, up and out, wiggle at the edge here, and through the eyebrows, 1, 2, 1, 2. And for the center of our forehead here, we'll do 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll your shoulders back and down a few times here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful, and that you're feeling and looking amazing from the inside out after treating yourself to this quick daily lifting facial massage with hands easily at home. Thank you for doing this with me. Sending you all lots of love, light, and healing energy. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.